Good morning. One of these summer storms, I just wanted to come out and make a very simple video. Hope you enjoy it. A cool front moves in on a hot summer day, and a storm comes rolling across the plains. What's better to do than to sit back, take up a good book, and enjoy the evening? My friend Ben McMillan, who owns Hilltop Packs and who made my backpack, he wrote a book, 268 Mistakes Hikers Made. I think I've made at least that many, maybe even 270. So I'm going to sit down and look through Ben's book and see what mistakes I've made and see if he has something that maybe I haven't yet. In the meantime, enjoy the lightning and the thunders of this summer storm across the Kansas prairie. I'm going to be traveling over the next month, and I wanted to leave a video for you before I get out of here. I may be able to share some of the scenes from my hiking trip. I don't know. If not, then I'll be sharing those when I get back. But I'm off to Spain to do the Camino de Santiago. Until then, stay safe, stay healthy, stay on the path, and God bless you.